Bantu bomquba igama lami ndingusilindile wakwaLufelo uMampinga umbhalo kaQoshe umntwana ingabe noboya ifuna bantwana ifuna abadala. Welcome to Unscramble Life with Slee. Mamelanini guys, njengangoku usulibala cofa elaqhosha lithi subscribe. Please press that button, like, share, comment. Okay guys, we appreciate you. We've been on this journey together and we are here. Mamelanini guys, namhlanje ke niphethe omnye ubhuti yabo. Bona labo bhuti laba abashayela music abantu abasirasa yabo. La bo live ntontoni yabona. Nalama drum, like you could hear everything clear, no editing, nothing. You understand? Akunokuthi uzothi amareyazi ngathi voice yami scratch lapha yana. Ke thina ke sikhule simazi ukuba unguPinocchio but ke seyibizwa ngomaster. Please introduce yourself and welcome to Unscramble Life with Slee.
Yo, no, thank you so much. No, Slee, it feels so good to be here, man.
Yeah,
like it feels so good. I've been waiting for this moment.
Me
It's
too.
courtesy day, you know?
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm so happy to be here, and yeah, my name is Master, just Master.
Yes.
So yeah, I'm a musician, I'm a music producer, I'm a singer, and I play my instruments. So yeah.
Okay. Ninga worry guys, I'm gonna break it through kancane uzositshela zonke lezi zinto esifuna ukuzazi ngaye. So ndifuna siqale ke ngoku igama wazala ngalo unqobile wakathabethe.
Yes ma'am.
Awuzithuthe kancane nje noma ezimbini ezintathu ubani uthabethe.
Yeah, ish. Angazi ukuthi you know because it's yeah, unqobile Thabethe.
Yeah.
Is a Zulu guy, you know, it's the Zulu guy from Ekasi, you know, ngikhulele lokishini vele. But umama nobaba abantu ubaba especially umuntu obeke ephuma emakhaya, but mina I was born and bred here like Ekasi, you know, not here, sorry, Ekasi.
Yeah.
So yeah, and then aside from all that, into engayithola Ekasi mina it's music, you know. Yeah, since ngiyenza from a very young age. So it's all I know. So Unqobile Thabethe is music.
So now, if someone could say, because I know there's Unqobile and there's Umaster.
Yes.
Who's known as Pinocchio. Ngifuna manje, if someone could describe Unqobile in just few words, angathini uNqobile asimyeke uMaster.
Unqobile.
Yeah.
Angathi Unqobile is an introvert.
Okay.
Umuntu othanda ukuba like in a certain space, you know, where he can think, you know, he's a thinker, he's an ideologist.
Okay.
You know, yeah, umuntu othanda ukuba espace sabantu abacabangayo, you know. And Unqobile Thabethe akawathanda amaset.
Okay.
You know, yeah. So Unqobile Thabethe I think unamahloni, you know, unamahloni. Serious.
Yeah.
Yeah, Unqobile Thabethe unamahloni. So I don't think he would be doing this, but because of the music and because of we love what we do, man. Yeah, but sisithola stage. We are stampede sabantu, but the next thing you're on stage looking at a crowd yabantu and you are performing for them. Ukhuluma nabo even West Part, you know, telling them, hey, sing along, you know. And then now you ask yourself, okay,
did I do that?
Who was that?
Because that was not Unqobile.
No, that was not Unqobile. And then after that, right on the spot, ubalekela to a corner where he can think and, you know.
I like that. I like how you said that actually.
Yeah.
I love it. And in ngifuna ukuyazi Unqobile emaruthethe isiXhosa yazi I'm still not convinced about this Zulu thing. But tell me nge family structure khaya. How was it Unqobile growing up?
Unqobile grew up with an extended family, you know. Yeah, besibaningi ekhaya, like besibaningi. So I think I was the only guy, no malume wami.
Okay.
No bhuti omdala. So ngicela amantombazane.
Oh.
Yeah, besibaningi endlini like truly mhlambe like close to like mangicabanga manje mangibala ngengqondo. I think we were like 16 17 you know.
Ingakanani ngaleso sikhathi leso because sikhule phela thina kunalama forum bese nemikhukho eminingi ngaphandle.
Yeah. Ukuthi at least ekhaya ugogo waba blessed by ukuthi akhona kwakha like a biganyana house yabo
accommodate.
So it was a big house but bengasa accommodate sonke abanye kumele balale ema dining room and stuff like that, you know. But aside from that we thrived in fact because saphila up until we grew up and saw what life really is. Yabo so understand why that situation was happening. Yeah, because most semncane you say like ngathi it's a burden.
Yeah.
uthi like siyahlukumezeka why sibaningi ekhaya you know but most okhulu yabona no when we had to share space
banye balala phansi kwetafile they are the last
I was one of those
fanele uvuke eqala
yeah I was one of those yabo bengivuka kuqala because bengumfana
I love
abanye amantombazane so when they had this allowance ukuthi they can because badala kimi futhi yabo yeah so it was that cluster of ukhula but no one understand why it happened like that.
Don't you miss it though?
Really,
because I mean honestly speaking I think those were the best times of my life.
Yeah,
when you were around kungabi nendawo yokulala niphakelwe endaweni eyi1 nidle nibaningi
yeah. No, the best part about it unity you know you abantu beba unified that time yabo besihlangene you know umntana kini umakhelwane asilahlani yabona umakhelwane kwenzakala something kuye besazi ukuthi we have to intervene hayi njengama
ubaba
manje it's like whole different story no
we are losing humanity every day
ubuntu nje it's something else esinye story singa exist now but the fact that we had under that moment layer I think that was the best moment of my childhood because of bengenza ngikhona ucabangela umunye umuntu other than ukuthi sibe isolated sibe sodwa ezamntana bakamama mhlambe kuphela and then we learn how to grow with each other but not with abanye futhi so I think that was the greatest moment of my childhood.
And you carry it so mdala, you still learn how to share, you improvise, you learn because you learn that we wired differently. Intolerance yakho it becomes extended than abantu bangoka beko patient. You know,
patience. People want things like and they want things now. Yeah, so it's a challenge because you won't get things now. It takes time.
I like what you said. That is why we are here.
That is why we
are here.
I'm glad it's going where we wanted to go. You know?
You see, and now, when did you realize Uguti Unqobile? He's got this gift in him. He's got this. There's something different about him amongst other people in Mhlambe or around his environment.
Yeah, that's a good question. You know, as I realized at a really young age, because of ekhaya vela abantu be-art where there are writers there because I remember ngisasemncane masicleaner like uma-storeroom nani I would find ama-scripts like a-rect amoshekile but ngiyabona this format this was a movie script or something so bekhona abaculayo yabo so ekhaya we are people of art yabo as in for mina there's this time ngisasemncane I think it was like 3-4 years old bengihlala nogogo emsebenzini ase-Auckland Park. So
sasayibiza ukuthi amakhishi
sahlala amakhishi singayi modernize manje sesibiza ukuthi I'm a helper yeah but that time amakhishi so nginogogo emakhishini and umlungu wakhe bekathutha besasemncane man Slee bekathutha umlungu wakhe so this guy osebenza ku this moving company aba move these assets zalomlungu loyo so this guy saw me and then he came to me and wakhuluma nami ngisakhumbula wathini because I think I was really too young. But the moment I remember it, it's vivid again because even the space ngisasibona. So was I with this guy? He looked at me and then wangipha this toy piano. Yabantwana okudlala. So wangipha yona. I know it was a cute moment, believe me, because mangicabanga manje it was profound for me. So that keyboard ngabuyela naye kasi. You know, so ngidlala ngayo. Angazi kwenzakalani mina lapha but yabo mara that thing I think it sparked something kimi yabo because of up until that time music was life to me yabo mangibona umuntu enza music I was in love so up until mhlambe like lapho kuboma I don't know 8 somewhere lapho I started writing my own songs yabo and then so I move around looking for places to express this thing because of being understand next all I knew was ukuthi I can write my lyrics you know so I move around looking for spaces to work and then that's when I met MLK.
Okay.
Yes. My first record was made there. Yeah, but that's why I made my first record.
Which year was that? Because mina ngisebenzile ne-MLK.
No, I think I was one of the first artists.
Yep.
Awakhe lapha ama-artist wakhe oqala because naye that time
sisashayile garage da.
Yeah, garage lapha. Mara bekaseyishop lapha egarage. Ukuthi nabe angabi ne-studio fund one but he was a producer, he was working doing beats and stuff like that. So mangifika mina and hearing umuntu okwazi ukwenza ibeat you know I was like
blown away.
this guy has something yabona so we started working then sasebenza no D, wrote a lot of music yabo. It's unfortunate ukuthi most of it never got a chance to come out, but besu performer by that time yabo ne audience besibamba, so it was a good thing going on.
So now tell me, phela angisho manje, when you become an artist there's a name that you need to ufanele uzibize ngalo, fanele ube ne stage name. What was your first stage name mhlambe that time? Because ngizwe before ube negama eli successful uba na a few nyana ulokhu washiya endleleni.
My stage name by that time was Peanut.
Okay.
Yeah, it was Peanut. It was a bad one. it was a bad one. I don't love it. Ngizama Peanut, you know.
Kune show edlalayo manje ebizwa ngoCobras. Yambona uCobra lo Cobra lo unalesi silungu sakhe weBeret. What Rivers or something. Guy manje ibizwa Cobras kukhona Peanut lapha, so it's fine.
Yeah, no,
and why did you decide to call yourself Peanut?
It was people man bengisebenza nabo that time. Yazi ama rapper njani? Hey, wena uqinile inkinato wena. Hey yabo, especially yabo, like the rappers I was working with that time yabo, sabukhuluma amagama abantu because it will feel mhlambe ngathi ngiba beka ngezinye indlela, but yiba bangipha legama lelo. So last kahle.
Okay.
It took time for me to change that.
Okay. And then mina ngikwazi ngoPinocchio.
Yeah.
I remember my when I think about it, I remember nginikhumbula kahle nge-era yeJangalala.
Yeah.
Oh guys, like inhliziyo yami iyacwila every time when I think about
I know
those moments. So now working with uDebta, I remember iJangalala igesi yayithathwa ekhaya kini. Isn't it?
No.
Yayithathwa kubani the guy
Block 9.
Block 9 ubani lo guy donsa kuye igesi lapha.
Njengoba ngisho siyazi mina I don't ngumuntu osaba
ubiza amagama
ukuba ensnared by your own weight, you know, so
yeah, it's fine, but I remember those days.
Yeah.
You brought hope. Ukhumbula ukuthi sasinehholo lapha na kuMamdlalosi, yakhumbula.
Yes.
And kwakuna there was a time era yena lady yahlakubana nina benisebancane, but I think you remember there was poetry sessions that
we were part of it. Besifika perform lapha nabasikhulisile naledi yahlakho.
And I remember kwaba ne fireplace when Ntando used to come. Nabo VOG used to perform there, and then kwathi makhamba lela holo yahamba na nento that we looked forward to, you know. And then you guys you birth iJangalala. You birth Inganekwane. Take me through, like, I'm so sorry, like yabona ukuthi ngifaka ama emotions cause that was my escape place. That was my escape place. That's when I saw hope eKaslam. That's where we would discover iKaslet what it's so made gifted of. You know? So now take me to you founding Inganekwane. How did Inganekwane come about? You, Black Molly, Fire, who else was there?
It was Rocker,
Yeah. How did it come about, Inganekwane?
Inganekwane has a beautiful story behind, you know. You know, man. When it's a good thing, it's got to have challenges.
Yes, but how did it start? How did you guys meet and decided to form a group Inganekwane?
No, we were in studio. After I worked no MLK, I opened the studio Sami at Block 9.
Okay.
With other rappers that I had at that time. So Savuli studio, and then having a studio and not have enough equipment was a bit of a challenge.
I hear you.
So one of the good days when we were just being us, you know, playing music, because never like anything that you have, like Mapot or anything that made a sound, you ring, 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 we just combine it and just do something.
Yeah.
So we had a call. Nghlelina naye umfowethu bengayivula naye.
Yeah.
So
no, you can call names. Inganekwane inabantu bayo. It's not like we're speaking bad about people, but you had your people. Who were you with that time?
Okay, at that time I was with Rick Molly.
Okay.
Yes,
Rick
yeah.
Molly. Sekazibiza ngo Black Molly manje.
Yes, Black Molly now.
Yeah.
But I love the name Rick Molly. It has a ring on it, it has this superstarish ring,
Yes.
So Bengnai, it was just the two of us. So Sahleli, and then working around our music as usual. We had a call from a guy named Peter.
Okay.
From 2 and 3.
Okay.
So the guy had an event by a friend or by an organization. So he was like, "Hey, we need a live musicians. Can you guys do it?" Yeah. So because of we were like, "Yeah, we can do it."
Okay.
And then after that, Samita na ngamahlomula somewhere boma block 6. Samita na that guy kwanda vela. I remember was ubesiqoka amanye amajazi amade nje sihlanga hlangene on that day. Sahlangana na wasitshela ukuthi ufuna like some live musicians. We were like, "Dude, give us the gig. We are going to do it." Then Sasala C2 no Rick, and then we were like, "What are we going to do?" Okay, you know what, dude? Let's look for a guitar. So we went around looking for a guitar.
But did you know how to play guitar at that time?
No, we didn't know how to play guitar. We knew my basic, like basic chords, abu in, ring. Oh, yeah, besides Java basics. But that was enough to make you believe, hey, you can do this. So Satuli guitar was Sister Mandisa.
Okay.
Was playing guitar, and then we started playing on the guitar. Sister Mandisa or Tafosa.
Shout out.
Oh no, she's a warrior. She's a warrior. She's an activist, the best.
Yeah.
So Satuli guitar. Then we started creating small jams, and then Mangdale guitar, Rick Molly would sing and rap. Magdale guitar would sing and rap. So we changed. Yeah, we only had a guitar, and then I figured out a gig. That time we see name band. That time we started General Funk.
Okay, me too that time.
See too that time.
General
Funk. Yes, we went to this big stage, and the first band that I found lapaya ngazi why bangafaka ngathi naqala. Bafaka that band, it's a full set, 4 vocal singers, a drummist, a bassist, a guitarist, people who understand themselves in the scene. And then here we are, Tina, Amachens, we are just, man.
Confidence to say pele before the stage.
Like, believe Sabapega, so we were like, Sizwa Basbi's the stage is Lee. So, one of the guys, unfortunately, we got a guitar, because we plug a guitar amp. He switched off guitar amp, and now we know nothing about these things. This is the first time song in the stage. I see this big. So must figure out we plug our guitar, acoustic it's playing here on stage, but not to abanya band that side. So the next thing, we are doing this thing, we are performing, the crowd is cheering, and then everything was right. Must take a stage. Sekpeli look to at that time, with you being a big band before us, Masiphume labasitshela ukuthi no guys, no, we saw ukuthi niyayenza lento, but besingayizwi gitayini sihloko sizwe ama voice kuphela, beyisumoya. But at that time wabe besimanager uTafoza uButfundile.
Okay.
Because this manager Butfundile managed to encourage us as no guys, don't worry.
It's your first performance.
It's our first one.
Why are you being hard on yourself?
So we came back from that performance, took our notes. Lentes ngizinto guitar amp life ini kune bass kunento so now we want to expand. So kula sicala khona ukeda amajembe to this thing, amajembe sithula kubotafuneka, sida amajembe sida amanye instrument.
But who's teaching you this music, or you just being creative?
No, we were just being creative.
I love it.
Yeah, but we were just being creative, and then studying instrument ufunda into ezingangeni nento ezingenayo, and then that's how you know it. Because I think I'm into the tutorials that time. Like just imagine. So it was just that. So masasihlala ke sabuyela kunalila tlhago. That's when every Sunday we went there and express this thing basibonisa, no guys, you're on the right track, because abantu basikhulisa basibonisa ukuthi now guys, you are doing it.
We see you
from nalila tlhago kula simita khona bo Fire. He was part of the band.
Ufaya he used to go there and perform.
Yes. Na bekaza lapha na performer, wayebukela amanye performance, but nje samita lapho ukuthi sazana ukuthi hey, this is Fire. Then ngameme studio weza, and then makafika studio athola ukuthi last sishaya amabhodo mfethu sinokushaya ibhodo king last nokushaya ind, and then he didn't benga namahloni. He did it. Yawashaya amabhodo lawo nani, and then the next thing we had sathola amanye ama gig which made us buy ama drums, bass, and then we were like, Fire, bass looks good on you. And then azangamoshe isikhathi.
But he didn't know how to play as well that
No,
time.
he didn't know. Ufunda njoba sisonke la. Because after that bass, it was just bass, guitar, and the chambers.
Yeah.
So it was a 3-piece, at least besengcono manje.
Yeah.
Wafunda. Umbona bekaseka this good.
Yeah. And fire the bases.
That's bheka imhleli.
Yeah.
Ngeke sashintsha imhleli. Noma ngacula yenzeni ayele maka yena the bass is a part of his life.
I love it.
Yeah, because he plays it.
So now igama funeka lishintshile phela because of you were what journal.
We were Journal Funk.
Now you moved to Inganekwane.
Yeah, and then we moved to Inganekwane, which happened angisakhumbula unyaka, but we were on our way to session in Nandi Tlhago.
Yes.
Because I still remember igama ngasal introduce khona lapho on that session there. When we heard a new song, Besiyenzile, it was a dope song and every poet wanted to be a part of it. It was a beautiful song. So endleleni khona lapho, that's when we were like, how about Inganekwane, man?
But why Inganekwane? Phela Inganekwane into engekho mfethu.
Ish. Into engekho mara into ekhona, mara into engekho but ikhona.
Intsomi.
Yeah.
That is why trend recently kusho hey Inganekwane.
Yeah. And the first time ngizwa lento le, I thought bakhuluma ngeNganekwane le, because I was like, kwenzakalani?
Yeah, man.
I wanted to find out something else.
Then kwaba nejangalala ke. What was the goal of having ijangalala?
The goal of having ijangalala was ukuthi, because of Tina we were performing. Besithola ama-gig is-performer. So we were like, what about abantu ukuthi sisebenza nabo and they are not doing what we are doing? Thina badlala live music.
Yeah.
So how about we do something that will help us work with them?
To interact and build a relationship, to connect.
Namanye ama-studios and stuff like that. Yayenzeka vele, yayenzeka. I still remember ijangalala was one of the powerful things we had that time. Because we were young guys.
Sunday. Kunetha kushisa kubanda kumisty kune volcano kune hurricane kune tsunami, we were there. It was happening.
The best part about it engikhumbulayo and vividly and so beautifully, it's the part that ijangalala was run by really young guys, but they were praying guys. Because besihlangana sibe baningi, like,
and ibingekho le ndaba yama red tapes, then ibingekho le ndaba of being scared of safety too, because it's not like futhi bekuvalelwe and all that.
Like mara besi free. Besi free.
Yeah.
So I love the spiritual part of ijangalala, how it came about and how we used izandla zethu to like build it from the scratch.
Stage mfethu.
It was a lot of work in fact, but amajita sahlangana sayenza because if we had a common goal song, ukuthi sifuna ukubona this vision ikhona ekas, and it happened. It happened, but
what happened?
Everything
it happened, but it happened. What happened? Because now Bengino Fire the other day, right?
Yes.
Ufaya mentioned that one of the challenges you had there was neighbors complaining about the noise.
Yes, that's true.
Was it a reason that you had to stop in Indaba yejangalala then?
Not as much, because of, truly speaking, besinganandaba.
Okay.
Besinganandaba. We were just young boys, man. Besinganandaba ukuthi umakhelwane uthini wenzani, but we are doing this.
And the nicest part, bekuza nabanye abantu bamanye amakasi mfethu. It was a goal of putting Iswaneville kwi-map.
Yeah, and it was already there because bephuma kuma-Vlakfontein kuphi
Soweto 23 everywhere.
So besiqala iba ne-support, and that's when la iba ne-support khona. It was when it was going to its downfall.
And no one wanted to fight for it.
We tried.
Okay.
We tried, but for the fact ukuthi we don't own a space access to, we scan. So if abantu bathi no, we don't want that. If baya wina vele baba ne voice eningi udlule yethu, then vele we have to move along. But we moved from there, saya kwesinye space futhi, and opened i-7 July. Where it was the same idea, stage, just artists and you just express what they feel and how they do this, but specific craft yabo. We did that now, the same thing, but now same challenges futhi yabona. So it was not changing.
Do you see it being back?
I see it every day. I believe in this thing so much. I see it every day, but obviously it needs a team. And a
dedicated people.
Dedicated people to do that.
Yeah.
Not ngeke uyenze uyi-one.
Cannot.
Ngeke uyenze uyi-one. So that was the problem. But
Even if you are an artist, like a singer, you cannot. You can ongayenza uwedwa. You know, we always
You'll
need
fail.
people. We always need people in everything that we do. We craft it. So now, ufaya ngimbuzile the other day.
Yeah.
Where is Nganekwane? And I'm asking you now.
Yeah. No, Nganekwane is there. Nganekwane is alive and kicking. But there is a certain a certain thing behind yona.
Okay.
We are growing up first and foremost. And the growing up means now my responsibilities now art, you know.
Yeah.
So now you have to pay hustle, something that will give you imali fixed towards
for the livelihood and all that lifestyle.
So nento ezinjalo and ama challenges ukuthi now we have to work hard on our own. So my idea was it's better masithi hey we are doing this thing again or whatsoever. Siyenze ukuthi we are all ama powerhouse. You understand? Wonke umuntu una this solo project ayenzayo emthathe yambeka somewhere yena alone.
Isn't that scary though?
What's scary?
Isn't gonna be a bit of what you call this clashes of interest? Because now I see Black Molly, he's doing his thing, right? Which is, I love it. I enjoy Waters. Guys, go to Spotify, go check Black Molly, BLK. Molly is MOLLEY. There's a song, Elapayana, Etsy Waters.
It's a beautiful one.
It's a beautiful song. And sizongena kwezakho.
Yes.
Because now ningama solo and still you still want Inganekwane to work. I'm gonna say this. I'm an old soul.
Yeah. And
jazz, as we all know, it was one of the first genres in the world. Because actually mangithi Africa, because music usuke Africa.
Yeah, whatever here.
You know, Africa, jazz was and still the greatest thing. Nanku this guy, Biza, the one and only.
Ndutuzo Makhathini.
No. Nathi kunathi andisasi sizathu kumama lo ondizala uJantyi.
Oh, okay.
Jesus, ngazakhangela igama lika Jantyi.
I'm still trying to think ingondi
Jantyi, you know.
Mfethu.
It's a soulful thing.
Yeah.
And you are young as you are, guys. Why did you choose jazz from the beginning? I mean, Australia would see youngsters, they want to be relevant with what's happening now.
Yeah, that's true.
Why jazz? Why Afro?
Truly speaking, jazz is totally when we wanted to expand and sound a bit internationally nyana, but our soul music besuyenza ngamampela we African music. We would fuse this indigenous. Yes, thank you. That's the way.
Indigenous.
Yes.
Oh my God.
And it was beautiful. Yeah, it was beautiful because the music levels connect related like really nabantu ngamampela, you know.
Because it's so spiritual.
You should have seen Gunaledi Alkhago. What we did every Sunday, it was so beautiful because but stimulate abantu man ukuthi hey say something on this
I know
poets would
speak. But I believe that you still gotta do what we know you best of. So now ngifuna uPinocchio, igama lika Pinocchio lifike sewukunganekwane.
No.
Benishintsha uPinati nathi uPinocchio. And thina uPinocchio siyazi ngamapopayi nayo.
Yeah, and he was a rapper. Pinocchio kahle was given to me as a rapper. Yeah, I was rapping at that time, but
so you know, someone said it, and I keep on hearing you saying that I was given. Someone said it as well that you don't have to name yourself; they should name you. You find honor in it because of that's what they see in you than you naming yourself. Do you think that is important?
I think that's important because of njengobizwa umama nobaba igama gama lakho nqobile.
Yeah.
bayazi bona ukuthi which spirit has them at that moment and uNkulunkulu ufuna ukuthini kubo mhlambe that name ibanikeza a meaning of what my life is going to be in some way, because truly speaking ngitshela ivara I do conquer Shem. I do conquer. Khona angengale ngumuntu ziyangihlula ezinye izinto elifini nami ngiaccept defeat. You know what?
Yes, le ayingangam. I mean, but even the best dancer knows when to leave the stage.
Yeah. But mawuphuma lapha ya uphuma ukuthi ngiyayeka ngidefeatiwe. Uphuma ukuthi you know what? I'll come back and this time I'll be 10 times better than the way I was.
I love that.
Yeah, so I think maybe now it was that. But I think the name imina more pure lona. Yeah, like yena master njengoba bathi ni master ngaliphiwa and emangiliphiwa ngal-accepta ngalithatha ngathi you know what, maybe it's about time ngikhula ngiyeke lento leza ukuthi ngizibiza bo Pinocchio mangibona ucabanga ipopayo or something yabo uthi uzongena ngizipendile ngikhale lite lapha ya ne short lenedelela you know. So at least it had to like come to an end, change it. Okay, now he's grown up and mara he's still doing what he does. Akaphumanga lento ayenzayo mara he's doing it in a certain way now. Ebonisayo ukuthi man.
But isn't difficult though, shifting from what you known of, like more for good time, my name is Master, like who that now when they know Pinocchio. Yeah. How has it been, that journey of you rebranding yourself with a different name?
Nah, it hasn't been hard because angisumuntu obewaba out there a lot of time. Even that time mangibiza ngoPinocchio bengaperform that much.
But for me, if begathe uDebta, I'm coming with Master, I wouldn't have known who that.
Ngawusho kanjalo khona mangifika la izoba surprise ukuthi mina ngikwazi yeah, I think bebenza so ibe surprise. But yeah, it's just that impethu. So igama lela ka Master leli ngaliphiwa uVirus.
I don't know who's Virus.
Virus, he plays the keys kunganekwane.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
He's a rapper as well. Yeah, so ngalithola kuye.
Siyabonga Gciwane.
So uGciwane uthema ke busy nje. Master. So yabantu ngoba uGciwane vele sho ukuthi into yakhe uba viral. La vele la spreader and then nasekasi everyone was saying that, so it was like, you know what? Well, that is it again.
Yeah. And umaster wakho mbhala ngo MASTR.
Yes. Cause baningi
master.
You.
I hear you.
Baningi master. You baningi sli. Just masters. Khona bambhala the same way.
I mean a master like inobu slaverish.
Oh, master ne. But angithi
I love it.
It's how we express someone okwenzela something good.
Yeah, of course. And being a master, I think you need to earn it. So I believe that he called you that because of he knows what you've earned so far.
Yeah, maybe there's something engamenzela yona.
He cannot just put you on a hierarchy for no reason. So don't take that name for granted.
But mina ngithatha as if ngathi he
is your master of everything.
No, not like that. Like ayishangazi man.
Go back and ask him. I'm giving you that task.
You know what? I'll go back, right?
Yeah.
Mangiceda ukuthola.
Yeah.
I'll send a comment. Episode yakho ngifake le comment lapho ngithi uGciwane athi.
Yeah.
Ungibize ngale gama because of this and this.
Please, we need to know why, because I know that you play my instruments, right?
Yes,
Which is the best instrument that you play? Because I've seen you playing drums.
Yes.
Which one do you enjoy more? And that you know that you play best.
Okay, not about enjoying more. Okay. The one that I play best, I think it's drums, because I spent like years kulo.
Okay.
You know, I had to like sing while playing the drums, so I was forced to ngidlala that kind of way. So bengalali ngihlale futhi bangirasela bomakhelwane bazo nabo ukuthi yo lo bhuti kanti wenzani ngaka. So I think it's drums.
And then which instrument do you enjoy more?
Instrument I enjoy, it's the guitar and the saxophone.
Oh, but yabo mina.
Yeah.
Shame Black Molly ngicela umnika. Black Molly can play that thing uzukhale.
The trumpet.
Trumpet.
Yeah.
So when are you enjoying sex?
Saxophone, yeah.
Don't put to enjoy sex, guys.
Saxophone. Sex. Ngcono sibizi isizulu nesixhosa isaxophone. Because it sound a bit weird.
But ibizwa ngesex anyway.
Yeah,
but yabazi mina ke I can't wait to be in a space of someone odlala inciyo. Do you know what is inciyo?
No, inciyo.
Umkhube, sorry, not inciyo, umkhube. Yawazi umkhube yini? Yabona lanto le yenziwa ngepumpkin le yeselwa. Yabona lento yasemakhaya ukufaka amasi.
Abakhangayo, sorry.
Cha, le mabeqeda ukusenga inkomo or imbuzi and then bathathe lo bisi lelo kunekhamba balifaka kulona elivalwayo ongikhulele lokushini.
Sli.
So kunalento ebizwe ine string esi1 and then bayishaya ngenyinto so I'm going to show it to you.
Yeah.
So mostly it's played by people who does the indigenous music. It's more like a guitar
but with one string.
No,
mhlambe yayazi because I follow ama indigenous instruments.
So lanto leyana uyishaya nge-stick.
Okay.
And then inala isound iphuma kule yanto thina ngesixhosa sithi liselwa. Yeah. I'm going to show it to you.
Okay.
I even want to put one like as a tattoo. Like I love that instrument. Kuwonke ama instrument ndiyawuthanda umkhube.
It sound like in so like a reference in the sound of that instrument.
The thing is, the woman that sound right now in my let me. So every time xa ndicinga la umkhube, that woman sounds in my. Let me just show it to you. Umkhube. Yeah, ngesixhosa sithi ngumkhube andazi nge other languages.
Alright, but it sounds interesting.
Instrument. Yes. Okay.
You the color.
Yeah, but this guy udlala ne nangumkhube.
I've seen this instrument. Yeah, I've seen it. When you workshop besiye like agiso by imida.
Yeah. I don't know what is it called in English guys ne. But ngesixhosa kuthiwa umkhube. So go and
it's like a bow arrow in
ingathi bow arrow that thing. Oh my god. So please in your experiment yakho ngicela uyongizamela ukungidlalela that thing.
If iyatholakala because such instruments sekumele uye in a certain tribe or village to actually get it. Yabo.
I have a friend of mine obizwa ngokuthi uDash ne uzibiza ngoDash Africa. He's good with drums. I'm going to show you.
Okay.
But there's that pipe.
Yeah.
Nayo it's played for indigenous. He makes all the scary sounds and indigenous and Okay, it's not about other people here. We're talking about you.
Yeah, manje si instruments ongihalisile ngaluthi ngathi
and he's got it. So I will link you up and he's a very good drummist as well.
Yeah, surely we will work then.
Yeah,
surely sizo.
Dash ntwana yami.
Yeah.
Nang
most
master.
Definitely, yeah.
Okay, now I want us to talk about the experience yakho ku-industry. Let's talk about ngizibhale phansi because angifuni ukuzikhohlwa.
All right.
The joy of jazz.
Yes.
What comes in your head the moment you think of joy of jazz, and what was it all about?
What comes in my head? Ukuthuka bengikho on that day. Knowing ukuthi uzodlala music where uzodlala khona like international acts wabona. I want ukuthi already bona nje ku jazz field they are already there. You know by international and they have their own market. Yabona, and then when you are still a child in this thing, you know. Usazama ukukhuphuka usasupportiwa i-region yakho kuphela and a few people outside but yabo so into bengithusa so ngisakhumbula that moment leyo yabo and the fact yokuthi now we had to learn how to be like that professional.
That's what comes in your head.
Yeah, it was difficult because izinto besizifuna but mase sikuzo sesizila now it's hard to grasp because of it's a lot of things. They are overwhelmed. I have to learn this, I have to do this. You know, and at that time besingakafundi much about this industry, live music.
Do you know that you will still be in the same space with the legends, with the giants? Do you know that?
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Yazi namhlanje what I'm going to tell you.
Yeah.
Yazi ukuthi indlovu ibulawa intuthwane.
Yeah, there's power in what you just said now.
So from today just know that an ant is so powerful that a very huge thing iyakhona ukuyiqhuma phansi.
Yeah.
So whenever ufikelwa lokho ukuthuka lokho, feel thinking that you are very small.
Yeah.
Cabanga intuthwane.
Because it happens, Sline. Yeah, and then you go but it's there. It's there. Knowing what
okay, masingathi maybe mayingafika mhla ifikayo futhi. Yeah. And then what's the first thing that comes in your head when you think of the Arts Live International Festival?
Arts Alive.
Arts Alive.
Oh, ish, that day. Oh man, no, it was beautiful. It was beautiful. The hospitality lah.
Feel like
ufila njenge-superstar.
Yeah,
ufila njenge-superstar.
Yeah.
I still remember besivulela Josh Benson, Angelique Kidjo. Yibe ngibakhumbulayo because bangene right immediately siphume stage. You know? I saw something on that day. Even though we did what we did not, you know, and a few fans, yabona into ezinjalo, but yes, mangena lo mama loya Angelique Kidjo. Yo, that mom is a legend, man. Makengena Slee. I was like, I next time in the stage, I want the same reaction.
Maybe with her, with or without her.
No. Without Guti abe in the picture.
Okay, because it will confuse you. Guti, your reception here.
Yeah. But like Nam is an artist. Yeah, ube like another thing there. Guti more figure. Yeah, like ube those people who will record. I don't care how many they are. They can be 10. They can be 5. I don't care. But that interaction, Guti, hey, we're listening to your music. We see you. And
we know you.
Yeah, just that. Young fundis on that day, this is how big an artist can become. And then it was just a vision, but we are getting there, Slim.
I love that.
Yes,
like I can see the fire in your eyes, man. I love that.
No, we are going there. Siyafika.
Singukuthiwa nguLazaro. Sivuke emangcwabeni.
Yabona.
Izinqe. Zavakala indudumo.
We
are here now. We are back.
Here. Yes, to shake the heavens, man, with this thing in video. Because I don't know, man. Angazi yimi or I don't know, but I feel like there's more spirituality in music than in any other aspect of life. Because I feel like music is the new weight. It's the new Bible. Abantu now, instead of going to their Bible, they listen to artistic team. Yeah. So if Tinam as an artist asikhuluma into ezi-right ezizoyenza abantu babe awake or aware of certain
so music
things.
Can build and it can break.
Thank you. Yes, that's you've summed it up and why summarize why vala if I stem.
Yeah, thank you, man. Tell me the journey yakho with Go West.
Go West.
Yeah, I know it was happening annually.
Yes, it was happening annually, but here for 2 years. Tina, it was 2014 and 2015 years. Yeah, it was a beautiful experience. It was a beautiful experience. Cause laphaya mongena vele ungena sekunabantu bakugcwele. Baningi nje vele. So we had a experience at Joy of Jazz. Which was happening izolo kwakhona like a day before.
So you nisafumbethe leyo moya lo.
Yabona. So masifika we were hyped up mfethu. We got in there and then we did what we did mfethu. Asaziwa mara the way the crowd was so happy that we are there. And just imagine ngena so sizodlala jazz. Sizodlala jazz. Event in a house and hyped up people. Yeah, sizodlala jazz and sayidlala saphinda futhi saphume stage and it was a beautiful one because people were standing up and dancing and they were feeling it yabo uyangabona nalapho ukuthi people really value live music akusukuthi just because they follow a certain type of sound le abayinaki. No, they do value it. Mayifika nje sidlala they do acknowledge it. Hey, these people are playing live, let's take a listen. Then they are the ones who are dancing now. Guys,
you don't understand the power of live music. Going back, my friend Dash 2019 ngibirthday yami wangisurprise neband yakhe nge-live. I was feeling like a queen that I know that I am. I don't think that I know that. Like there's I don't care who says what. Jazz, every genre that is in this world, it starts from jazz.
Yeah, it starts from there.
I don't care who says what.
I know, Lapo, I back you up like 100%.
So if people don't respect jazz, then it means that you don't respect music at all.
Yeah, music as a whole. Because not just not even amapiano manje.
You get inspired from jazz.
Yeah. And when you listen to my sound wabo ama-gens abenza this genre, you still hear jazz lapha, you still hear badlala bass guitar lapha emuva or guitar or
you get it.
So
and
now,
others now, have you realized with most yabo, even if someone is performing amapiano, but there will be that live
yes,
band,
yes.
whether it's drum or whatever that it
or
is,
the keys.
but
yes, it's there.
It's there.
Yabonisa ukuthi iyaphila,
It's
iyaphila
alive.
this thing, iyaphila.
So now,
It's life.
umfana sekasi, umfana sebhuqwini, umfana semkhukhwini nakuma-RDP angithola. Nako ke senibizwa ko live ko SABC2 mfethu abo morning live.
Yo, Slee.
Tell me about it, like
Yo, Slee.
umfana sebhuqwini, umfana sekasi.
Oh. Yeah, it was another experience. But there's something that I really, 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 really hate about that experience. But okay, so khuluma ngayo. Laphana besiplakwa the late Matlo.
Okay.
Mam Gloria.
Yes. Oh.
Yes. Besiplakwa uyo Mam Gloria. She loved Inganekwane so bad. So most of our opportunity ma was presenter kuye yena afuna ukuyofuna ama opportunity. She would think of us. Yeah, Inganekwane. So we're always there. So besiplakwa uye. Yeah, besiplakwa ukuthi guys, you have a gig and so you need to go there tomorrow morning and stuff like that. So saya vele. There's one question I remember that's why in video corner I angaze ngayibheka ever since. The question was, where do you see yourself in 5 years? Yeah. Exaggeratously. Exaggerator, and mina into bengiyibona at that time, bengazi ukuthi baba kunabo COVID bala nyango bayeza and kunanani yabo kunama challenges into face bengayiboni kanjalo because bengibheke the pace esamba ngayo ukuthi what yini ezosihlula ukuthi sifike eBlue Note iso performa khona or Apollo sisuke ebhuqweni yini ezosihlula
siperforma nama international.
Come on,
yeah,
we can
man.
do this thing yabo bekuleyo hanga leyo ukuthi what we will do it because we don't sleep, we do this thing every day all night as lad siyayenza lento le. So that question I answered and then I was like,
what did you say?
We are going to be international in 5 years.
Oh God.
Sizobe sidlala internationally.
But why do you regret?
Because ayenzakalanga Slee, and it haunts me every day for the fact ukuthi ngisho something ukuthi not ukuthi it would never happen, but it wouldn't happen in the time frame le abangibuza ngayo. Yeah.
And then what did you learn from that? If someone would ask you, if I can ask you now, where do you see yourself in 5 years? What would you say to me or to our viewers?
I still won't be scared to exaggerate.
Good.
Because of it's what I see.
I love what you said.
Ugute
man. I was gonna give you a good high five. I like what you just told me now. There's nothing wrong with seeing yourself. We are driven by that. So from today, don't regret for saying that. Because
no, I won't.
I mean, that is why we're still standing. We need to shake the earth. That is why we're still here.
Yeah.
I believe that if really, really it knocked you down, kubuye wayihenga, ube mhlambe ubhema unyawo ube laphayana. I just want you to understand ukuthi leya ntshisekelo leyana it's still there. Yes. That is why you didn't choose otherwise. Yes, we go through the darkest phases, and I'm not being malicious when I talk about abonyawo because those things, they do affect our families. We are so affected by it.
Big time.
Everybody can relate to what I'm saying.
Yeah.
And what I've learned the process abantu abanye baye bazigcine sebethatha impilo zabo nabantu ababhema lezi zinto lezi. It's we've all been there. We've all been in a darkest space, but we are thankful because of Sietina Saiboni light. We're not here to judge them because of they still stuck in the darkness.
And now they'll find their way.
We're
eventually.
Praying for them. So I love the fact that in a process of everything that you just said, how you're saying that it haunts you, you regret of the answer that you said, because of that you're gonna be an international artist. That is why you're still here fighting usanqoba namanje, so don't regret.
Bitch. Yes, we are still going there, man. Silanda, we won't give up on this, man.
I'm gonna ask you, and I want you to own it, and I don't want you to wear it over your sleeves. I want you to wear this under your sleeves. Where do you see yourself in the next coming 3 years?
3 years?
Yeah. Angisafuni 5 manje.
Angisafuni 5. Okay, in 3 years, this is what I see. Just Master. It will be a name that is worn by a lot of artists, because I think that is a name that is going to stand for artists mostly, in terms of many things that we struggle with. And then I don't want to even get to the part of what types of gigs he will be performing in, because of Slee. I don't know if it's me or if it's something else, but that name is going to be one of the biggest names we have in SA. I believe that.
Great deal.
I believe that.
You are a master of your life, and you are the master to heal other people's lives. Own it. I want you to own it. Guys, the moment we learn that being humble is relative, the moment we learn that being powerful is relative, whatever that you are, and I don't like this thing, I'm the girl that I think I am. Thinking is not knowing.
Oh, you think you are.
Thinking is not knowing. I know I'm that girl that I know that I am. So there's nothing wrong with knowing that you are the master. The moment we start speaking things into existence, we finally attract what we want.
Yes,
and there's nothing wrong with being over your sleeves.
Yeah.
Because I regret that.
Yeah.
Own it.
Yeah.
Own it. I'm saying this.
Yeah.
And just as emotions, I want to ask you this.
Yes.
What is that one thing you wish you could go back to Unqobile and say, I'm sorry, Nqobile? What would you say to that young Nqobile? Uyomhaga, uxolise kuye. Miyeke uPinocchio, miyeke uPinati, yeke inganekwane, miyeke uMaster. Nqobile. What is that one thing ungafika umhage leyo nokuxolise kuye?
I don't think there's something to say I'm sorry for as Liangazi. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Yeah. But I don't think I'm sorry for you. But I think I would thank him for being the boy that he was, because of Slee. Like, I've learned a lot of things about life, and I don't regret anything. I feel like how it went, it's how it should be, because of it's all about what you know and what you download with your mind. But mina so far, I think so far so good, boy. I think the boy has been doing it. The boy laid the foundation grand for me. I thank his experiences and his hardships. I really can say thank you, because of I wouldn't be this guy, man.
I love this.
Serious, man.
Like, ngenza emotional. Ngenza emotional, but thank you for that, because there are people today who are still stuck in their past, and they still being so hard on themselves because of that young self. That best friend of yours, Unqobile.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, he's right here.
Asikhulumeke manje ngoMaster. Asingam-ignore manje uMaster. uMaster simazi ingumuntu wejazz. uMaster simazi umuntu we-indigenous, umuntu who, and you were the only people like us who was doing that craft.
yeah
that I know of mina.
oh yeah but bakhona abantu badlala ama-instruments
Era yenu.
yeah
Okay.
badlala ama-guitar mhlawumbe badlala i-guitar with the
As a
vocals.
group.
No, not as a group.
Okay, so that's what made you different.
I think so.
I believe so.
You believe so? Okay, I believe it as well then I think it was because of labantu bayi-4 on stage. They are playing this thing now in real time.
Yeah.
So I think into means be more interesting because people would come to Fire lapha ku-bass and be like, yo, ntwana, yenza lento. Some will come to me with drum. So bathanda different things. But now ngoba sibona sisonke so not just hearing the song eradweni ungazi ubani udlala ini so bayayibona so
I loved when you were showing off, giving each other a chance to play a solo.
Oh yeah that's but yo ngangibiseli
Mamela, this is what I'm gonna say before ngifuna sigxile ku master manje.
Yeah.
Ngiyanicela Black Mole ngimamele, Fire ungimamele, ubani kanjani Rocker ungilalele. Ni virus ningilalele nawe ngimamele. Ndizayithetha ngesixhosa lento.
Sixhosa ngesixhosa ngokwenza kuba
sanukustika. Njengoba nisixelela uba inganekwane isasekhona isaphila. Ndicela niyekla kuma socials wenu. While you cooking guys, whatever that you cooking, sisacela at least ama glimpses to know that masinilinde ngoba nisapheka. Ngoba kuzoba nzima ukuthi silambe silinde imbiza esingaziyo iyavuthwa sigqibele siyothenga ikota. Keep on cooking while we're waiting to be served. Put at least this update and noma don't reveal too much. Yabo yenza lesimani CV eRoma iyalembize niphekayo. But makuye kuthuleka pha guys social zen it's so quiet like it seems like it's dead. Come back. Ndiyanxamela ke ndiyangxolisa I hope nindivile. And I think ndiyibeke very clear.
ayivakele ndiyayiva.
Siyabulela.
Bakuzwile. I think bakuzwile. Oh my god.
This alone ndifuna ivakale. Mamela ke master.
Yes ma'am.
Why amapiano afro? What is that? Maske siqala phi intoni amapiano afro-ish that you into now? And why did you divert to that?
It's music, Slee. I think it's music. Master is a versatile musician because mningu music laphana soul, hip hop, like I work with different types of people, yabo. But this one exactly was something ukuthi yinja and like people are following it. So mhlambe if I can try and establish a sound yami mhlambe nami ngibe nayo certain footprint in it yabona maybe it will give people that idea.
A perspective yokuthi you're not just master.
Yes, no,
it's not just you're a master of none, but you are a jack of all trades.
Yeah, as long as it's music,
you can do it.
Then I'm your guy for it because of mina nje music angukhethi. Ungamangali uzwa kuthiwa nangu manje umaster wenza umaskandi lapha. Uphethe isiginci sakhe uyabona. Ungamangali wazi ukuthi yena washo shame wathi as long as it's music, as long as it makes sound like ting ting, I'm up for it. I do it.
Who inspires you in music?
Music.
Yeah, like who inspires you every day? Your all day, everyday person that you know that boom mamele, everything makes sense.
Most abantu ngimamamelayo abantu abangasa abangasekho
experiment that one.
Yeah, because of let's speak about Bob Marley. Yeah. Right? People who didn't just do music, but they were expressing a certain bebafaka like a certain idea or concept life inomuntu kwabona music uyangawenzi kuphela uyana ama beliefs wakhe on top of music ama beliefs afana nokuthi
politics
yabona politics
racial differences
yabona yes music is life poverty. And music can vibrate and create this thing to a human being yabona abantu aba believe into eziso not people who just do music for just doing it but bakhona abanye ukuthi like they are you know like ama legends for mina yabona abo Sizonke, abantu ukuthi makedlala music I just feel a certain way and be like sis man
Bona mawuthi zonke ndicinga no Lira. Those are the top.
Yes yabona bo Lira singaba counter mfethu so yeah.
Samajobe kuphi vele?
Samajobe ishangazi nami. But she had a good sound. Yeah. So at least labantu ukuthi like ku playlist yami they are there.
Okay.
Yabona and then the rest again some African people ukuthi like I really look up to them now.
Oliver Mtukudzi.
Abo Oliver Mtukudzi.
Kodwa uDadu Hugh sanomlibala bethu. Oh.
Yes.
Gosh.
No, Babu Hugh isikhulisile when we masidlala iband. Yeah, usikhulisile na because we listen too much ku music wakhe namanye ama cover beswayenza wakhe. So na isikhulisile big time. Abo well abantu base states abanye
It's fine, mention them.
Abo Kat Elling, ama jazz musician, ama jazz singer.
Yeah, so, the reason that I want you to mention them, probably you plugging someone now to go and
look for because he's a great singer now. So abantu abanjalo, abo lokhu yakanza, abo Richard Bona, Oma Sosa, ngingiqede Slee.
Okay.
Bye. Makabangi inspire because of bane sound yabo.
Yeah.
But they are thriving in music industry. Not ukuthi shooting in the kanjani. They are not trying to do what sells.
Yeah.
But they are selling what they are actually making. So yiko ba follow that much bona because I think they give me an idea of what I want to master to become. Yabo. Someone wenza sound yakhe the way sound ngakhona for yena nabantu abayamamelayo.
Yes.
Athengise leyo sound leyo not ukuthi just because of their certain loops kuma free to loops lapha nama loop nana just fix ngihlanganisa ama loop la because ngifuna ukusanda njengosibani no that's not music manje yabo manje uyazilimaza because of you're not putting your own that loop was created by me
that
in
is
studio.
Why you terms cinga ngo Thames cinga ngo Sade like you don't have to look about Jill Scott about Lauryn Hill.
Hey man, you speak life man.
Yabona.
Man.
You don't have to look like ukuthi umfanise nobani.
It's
I get what you mean. So ufuna umaster ibe umaster xa ucabanga umaster ungathi yazi usawunda njengomama Rebecca Maluphe noLundi nabani.
Akana authenticity now master is just an artist engadlula anytime. But well there are a lot of producers aba only sound yabo manje la eMzansi which is lovely because of ivula indlela for ukuthi hey let's be open for new sounding sounds. Ama sound different. Yabo not lawe Swazi not us support Swazi so support but they are already there and they are owned by certain somebodies yabo which is good. But let's add more sounds. Let's variate.
What is your blueprint? Kahle.
Yes.
I get what you mean.
Yeah.
And into engifuna ukuyazi kuwe. If right now ngathatha nje ngidonse phansi kwalesi studio silent gun yami. Ngibeke ekhanda. Ngithi master I'm going to make you choose now otherwise ngiyakubulala. Khetha ukuthi uya composer or udlala instrument or uyacula khetha eyi-one otherwise which one would you choose?
Ngadlala instrument.
Really?
Yeah, ngadlala instrument. I'll not maybe I'll die in peace because of I won't even know ukuthi ngizodujula manje ngizokhohlwa nokukhohlwa ukuthi konke ngibeke isibhamu because I'll be like lost in what I'm doing now.
I love it.
Yeah, ngizokhohlwa and then being that ngizwa ngaso sesishaya ke mangabe sengishaya.
Someone said he would rather write but it would be painful giving it to someone who won't relate ukuthi why he wrote that. When there won't be emotions. I felt it. I felt it. Ngikunikeza istory sami uhamba uyos-actor with no emotions mhlawumbe.
So siportraywa ngendlela
different.
Yeah. No, it's your thing at the end. Completely. I can die now. Right? Ngafa manje. Leya computer se-studio sami manje ayekho umuntu ozoyisebenzisa. Ayekho ozoyisebenzisa yimi engazi ukuthi ini kweliphi khona. So if I die with my work. Yabona. So kuyafana. For me kuyafana. But I think this one will really bring joy to me in real time now. But you know what? Okay, I'm about to die. Okay, it's okay. It's cool. I can't change it. But let me just do this.
Yeah.
yabona, just play this instrument, ngeke this set instrument ezoyenza mina ngitshele nempilo yami nje, just see myself ascend.
You'll be singing, and while you're playing uzobucula vele ngaphakathi, silently
kimi yabona,
Yeah.
saying these words to my maker nje,
Yeah,
ukuthi
I love this.
ukuthi yahwa, it's like this now. Nangu silindile mayise ngibeke silent gun no, and angazi uzoshaya or ngeke, but whether uyashaya or akashaya,
Yeah.
at this point I don't care anymore.
Love
But what I care about is ngicela ukuletha le energy le yasende kuwe, because of maybe when not maybe, so why do I use this word so much?
It's fine.
Because when you'll be able to distribute to whoever kumele yazi, mhlambe my child or you know, uzomangala na shine feeling anga understand
Yeah. Yes.
yeah, kanti mhlambe
What
it's
was
that,
he going through? Because
that
I think
energy.
the nicest part about someone who plays an instrument, you can always imagine what I want to feel like. I wonder
Ish, yeah.
why like you can tell an instrument when someone is playing in a sad mode. And you can tell when they're playing it in a without expressing, but
Without
by
saying
listening,
anything.
without
that's
saying
true.
anything.
Yeah, that's true.
And then who are your dream local people that one day you want to collab with?
Ish,
I don't want to say wish that you want,
That
because
I
it's going to
want.
happen.
okay, ish, the first one ukuthi, I think she quit music. I don't know what's happening with her, but she can't quit before azo feature mina iTrekking.
I love
She has to come back.
She must.
She must come back.
Yeah.
Sisimsaki. I love her vocal.
Yeah, ngiyambona.
Msaki.
Umsaki ucula
His
ngathi
singing,
akafuni.
Mm.
Effortlessly.
Yeah, yabo. And then
Ngudala we and it.
Bomanga.
Yeah.
Hey, Msaki. Please come back. You can't quit now. You can't quit now. You need to come back.
Cannot.
Nope. No,
Yes.
you cannot. Otherwise, sizokuvundula la ukhona. One of the good days,
Uvile,
I'll get that power and just come through and be like, Sisi,
because you are the master.
you'll come back.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Sisi Msaki, and then for producers, I love the sound ga Sanel. I love the sound yakhe. Una this vibe man, yabo. Yeah, so bakhona abanye, but I understand the question ngithola manje, so
Yeah.
right now ngithatha abantu aba like
That,
ukuthi,
you know the tricky part about
Yeah.
into endithandayo, I don't give you questions to read them, because
Eish,
it won't be authentic. Your answers won't be authentic as
will
now.
be premeditated.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the international dream collab.
International. Eish. I don't think I have someone I want to work with internationally. Ngangithusa bonke.
Jeez, siyithathile indaba empuka embovana.
Yeah, eish.
So, you're gonna be big. Stop boxing yourself. I hate this. People that you will work with because of you are a master and you'll be doing great. Obani ozosebenza nabo in the near future internationally. Say them.
I'm trying to think.
Yabona uNtandazo. Yamazi
Yeah.
this guy. uNtandazo yamazi.
Untandazo.
Umthandazo, not
Untandazo
uNtandazo.
Gaja. Untandazo Gaja.
Ole.
Yeah, I follow him ku TikTok lapha.
Yazi umthandazo. Umbonile uba ngoku urocka nobani.
Ngimbonile seka se stage nabo
John Legend. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So don't do that. Don't do that to yourself.
No,
Kubani lo ozosebenza naye in the near future.
truly speaking,
Internationally.
Slee, no one comes to mind right now.
Right now, but you one day you know that bakhona.
I think okay, there's this guy bambizo Christian Scott.
Okay.
I like how he plays his trumpet, and I like his sound yakhe ku jazz, right? So that sound I would love to feature. His sound yakhe I'd love to feature it because of he's a band. So
Yeah.
akuso uyayiwana. So another person for Unduduza Makatin, you know that guy is good with my keys.
Yeah, okay.
My composition wakhe we jazz. So I would love to work with him, right?
Okay.
But not to go jazz,
Okay.
on some other genre.
Okay.
I go jazz because if jazz niche yakhe, and then mhlambe nami niche yami ku house or
okay,
soul
get
or
it.
hip hop. Usichoose nje enye
Into
into
engekho
early.
comfortable. No, niphume ku comfort zone yenu.
Yeah, adlale the way adlala ngakhona because
Yeah.
he has good compositions too.
I love that.
Yeah, I love his keys.
Nduduzo Makhathini.
Nduduzo Makhathini. Makawala ekhaya ngithina.
Yeah.
But uthi nje net he's an international act now. Yabo ufana nabo Kofi, he's out there now.
Okay.
He's not here.
I feel like guys. Well,
yeah. So.
And then I want to ask you this. Are you open to bookings?
Yes, I am.
I need you to give me all your platforms.
Okay.
So that if someone right now, because nizohamba nithi niyobukela uMaster, before that, let's talk about So It Begins, EP yakho.
Yes.
What was coming in your mind for you to call it So It Begins? Is it beginning from where you left off, or it means that you left off everything and then you're starting afresh?
I think it's that. It's the second one.
Okay.
I feel like everything enokuyenzeka life yami musically was just an introduction nje ukuthi hey dude, you're a musician and you work with people.
Yes.
I was learning ezinye izinto.
Yes.
So now I feel like ikhani iqala manje.
Yeah.
Ikhani iqala manje. That time bengakaqala, it was just hey, you are this person.
Okay.
Hey, you're this person.
Njenge diamond liba kwi pressure cook for a longest time. Local liphekwa.
Yeah.
I love.
Yeah, so I think now khani iqala manje. So it begins.
So It Begins.
Yes.
Kuma platforms wonke, right?
Yeah. Khona ku Spotify and Apple Music, YouTube, Boomplay, Deezer, Pandora, and Amazon Music.
Guys, uMaster ka MASTR.
Yes, ma'am.
So It Begins. Cool. Check it out. You won't regret. And mawusawuqedile again ukuyomamela So It Begins. Go look for him, umsebenzi wakhe niwaqala lo, as much as he's beginning, so that we can understand what is it all about. And uzonikeza ama social platforms wakhe right now for bookings.
Yes, ma'am. Ku Facebook, sorry. It's at officially Master the same the same format, and then on Instagram is at Real Master, and then TikTok it's at True Master, YouTube at By Master. And yeah.
And then if umuntu ufuna contact, they can only use ama DMs. I know now you niyasebenza futhi ne MLK, isn't it?
Yes, we are working in MLK has been pushing footage ka Master for quite some time manje. And I believe ukuthi it shall be forever. Ngangilahla. It shall be forever. Yabona, because of mina ngumuntu I don't know, man. Ngithanda like ukuba
closed off.
Yeah, because of
and I've been hearing that is when I'm getting ngicele kuzbox. Honestly speaking,
okay,
yeah. So if they want to book you, should they book you through MLK, or they can DM you? Do you have a number that you are open to give away, or you just want them to catch you with my DMs only?
No, MLK is part of our team. MLK is our team.
MLK production, guys.
Yes, I can be booked through MLK production. I can be booked through my DMs la my socials wami lawo. So yeah.
Okay.
And then kuma socials my number khona lapho on my pages, so
I love that.
Izoba more easy azokulahlela ku WhatsApp, and then it will be so easy for ukuthi ukhona ukuthola umuntu ozokhona ukukhuluma naye.
More relevant. Okay. And then ikhona into ocabanga ukuthi ngikhohliwe kuzo zonke oyazi ukuthi baleke that we have to share.
That we have to share.
Do you think I covered everything?
Yeah, I think you did.
Projects that you're working on right now?
My projects right now are Mina Sling Pile Studio. So I'm always doing music. So there's a lot of music.
Instrument.
Yeah, so at least if we can push this project, see push, and then even now the following that it deserves. And at least that time I can be able to be free with keep like more music, because music I'm always singing, and another thing with this project bengathanda ukuthi si clarify because of ngama projects engisebenza nawo yabona. So obviously some of them will ask themselves ukuthi hey, why angachuzanga ingoma engiyenze naye athatha these songs yabona. So the project leli I had to do everything myself.
Okay, because you're introducing a master before you feature other people, so bangabi offended. I get what you're saying.
Yes.
You know that you've worked with other people, and maybe bayazibuza ukuthi why ungaba feature. Okwamanje, so it begins. That is why he wants to come as, hi, I'm master, check me out. And then after we've known who he is, we know who he is, but who is master now? And then that's when he's gonna take along.
Yes, yeah, that's what I meant. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Any kids?
Yeah, I do have kids.
Tell me about the experience.
The experience?
Yeah, your baba.
Slee, being an artist, it's always hard.
Yeah.
It's hard. Yeah, because manje sengimelo between the two things, and mawuthiyabheka, one of these things have to fail when it comes to mhlambe deciding ukuthi, hey, do I need to buy my headset ukuthi ngikhona ukusebenza studio or thenga impuphu? So obviously mele bawini, yabona. So it's even worse because of njoba sikhipha this project uQueen uphuke inyawo, right? So now that burden leya yavele yaba more because of now I have to take care of everything at home. Ngesikhathi esiyi-1, yabo, and even take care of her, the kids, the house, ngapha ngino music, and ngifuna ukirelease.
Overwhelming.
Distribution is lima ngithi ngiyibhadale last year October. Ukuthi hey, I'm releasing music, so I'm paying this thing off now. Ngayibhadala only to find out ukuthi ngiyorelease manje 2 weeks ago.
Patience is very
just
one
imagine.
Of the industry I've learned.
You
need to be patient.
Yeah, you need to be patient. So even afake enye burden, but uNkulunkulu emuhle njalo. We thrived through it. Yabona ngarelease kuloko kunjalo, and then uD just showed up and be like, hey, wena awuzohlala, so sebenza manje, saphuma for my shoots, for everything. So we've been working hard since uphumile music. We've been working hard. No problem. We are not resting.
Listen, man, I want to tell you this. I'm rooting for you. I see you. I loved it. We are here to heal souls. We are here to give hope to those people who thinks showing off your craft yonke into izoba smooth. It takes one, like banomntana lo Taylor. She became so lucky, but
Tyler Water.
Yes. Not everybody's about Tyler, guys. Just know that trust the process.
Yes.
Be consistent. Consistency is everything. We are here to remind you or to make you understand ukuthi njengoba nje usibona lana sisukaphi. That's the whole point of documenting this. It's okay. Those days that you feel like you don't want to touch the floor, you don't want to talk because you planned this and it's not going the way, it's okay. Word of the day.
Word of the day. Start by God and just be you.
Start by God and just be you.
Yeah.
Do you believe in love?
I do believe in love.
Uqedile.
Yeah.
Ndiyabulela ixesha lakho. Ndibulela ukuba nguwe. Ndibulela ukuba uye wavuma uThixo makakusebenzise, because we know there are many talented people who are not showing uba uThixo ubanike ntoni kubo. I'm rooting for you. Go show them who you are. We're done.
Thanks a lot, Slee.
Guys, ningalibali ke zithandwa zami. Nanku umaster ufikile njengoba sichilo kuma music platforms, ambu yomamela is so it begins. I love it though. It tells a story before everything, so it begins, and then now you want to know what is this the beginning we're talking about.
Yes,
guys, go and look for him. Ningalibali guys. Right now he's working with MLK, guys. Nandimbe we MLK, guys. I need you to know that. Even the article I want people to understand what there's a guy called Debta Muluko who saw this in me before I even knew that I had it in me. So you're working with a great person.
It's been years. It's been years.
Guys, just go to our social platforms. Umaster ukona Payana MASTR. Go just look at umsebenzi wakhe. Nihambe ningena niyojonga ne-MLK production, nibone umsebenzi wakhe. Probably now uhlela apha ekhaya awazi ubungaya kubani umuntu ongakuncedisa ukuthi akubonise ukuthi kule industry kwenziwa njani izinto. we are here for you. And then ningalibali subscribe ku Unscrambled Life with Slee, guys. We flying like a rocket and we out.